What happens when I mix these two? Let's mix it! Yeah, great. I don't know which color. What is that? Let's mix these ones. I'm scared. So scared. It feels so good, actually, seriously. Wow. Yeah. This is the most wonderful slime ever in the whole entire world.